Wait, Vijay.
Yes.
But there's an urgent matter. I cannot be permitted to move tomorrow, Millard. Actually, what has happened, Lordship has allowed the repetition, but we are seeking one clarification regarding that, Millard, return refund of Millard performance guarantee tomorrow, Millard.
May it please your lordship,
Well, I'm giving the list, Millard. Congress.
may it please your lordship, with the consent of other party, I beg to mention item number 14, my lord.
14.
My lord.
Yes.
We need some time to file a reply, my lord.
Okay. Mr.
R.A. Puramanik on behalf of Mr. A.K. Burua.
So and so learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Barua, learned counsel for the petitioner. Whereas the matter may be listed after 4 weeks. So as to enable him to file affidavit in the whereas the list after 4 weeks.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19.
19.
Lordship,
Yes.
with consent of the opposite party, lordship, kindly adjourn the matter after a week in any date as per the convenience of the.
Your name, please. Your for
Email.
petitioner
Yes, lordship.
on the prayer of Mr. So and so learned counsel. B.K. Das,
Yes, lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 4 weeks.
My lord, I beg to mention item 52 and 53, my lord. We are going to file an affidavit today. We have prepared it. So let it be, my lord, listed on any other date. We have
50?
taken consent. 52 and 53.
52
I have for the petitioners, your lordship, in 52.
Yes. Orders. Okay.
Admission, your lordship, item number 52.
Okay, on the prayer of, no, Mr. I. Bortakot, Land Council, Land Standing Council Forest Department submits that he has filed the affidavit today. Mr. Howard, same is not placed, take to the records, Mr. Register to verify if it is filed. Take the affidavits with the records, huh?
Lordship, may kindly fix a date after vacation, your lordship.
Why, what's the urgency? After
Lordship.
3 weeks. After 3 weeks.
Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 38, lordship. Lordship, the
38.
enjoyment slip was submitted on Friday.
Okay, on the prayer of, you are for petitioner.
For P. Devi on behalf of Mr. P.R. Sharma, my lord, he is not able to come.
Then council appearing on behalf of P.R. Sharma, then council for the, this matter after 4 weeks.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
For the consent of the other party, I beg to mention item number 20, your lordship. Also regarding this matter, finances to file the affidavit, your lordship, we are still awaiting instructions. So brief the lordship to adjourn the matter and list
20.
after publications. Yes, your
Item
lordship.
20.
Yes, your lordship.
Have you taken consent?
Yes, your lordship.
You are for
The finance department, your lordship, for
MS so and so,
R.M. Barwa, your lordship.
learned council appearing on behalf of
Mr. R. Borpujari.
Mr. R. Borpoja, learned standing council finance department. This matter after 3 weeks to so as to enable the learned council to for the finance department to obtain instruction.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention with the consent of the other side, item number 15, my lord.
Item
Item number 15, my lord.
15. Yes. What do you want? What do you want?
Adjournment, my lord.
On the prayer of so and so. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, with regard to item number 32 and 33, your lordship. Lordship, seeking an adjournment today, lordship, to file an affidavit, your lordship.
32?
And 33, your lordship.
For the petitioners. in both these
Yes.
matters. If I'm only praying that a date may be given, because,
On the prayer of Mr.
DJ Das, your lordship, for respondent number 1 and 2.
This is the learned council for respondent number 1 and 2. 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
lordship, time has been taken previously on multiple occasions. Lordship,
Mr.
may give
So
me a
and so
fixed date.
learned council for the petitioner is present.
May give me a fixed date.
3 weeks.
Okay.
Much your lordship.
May I please, your lordship? Like to, I beg to mention item number 37. Consent is taken from the opposite party.
Yes.
We are for the respondent number 7 to file affidavit in a reply.
On the prayer of Mr.
A Pathak on behalf of IH.
A.S.
A Pathak,
A. Patel, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of
IH Shakya.
I.S. Saikia. Learned Counsel for the respondent number 7. List this matter after 3 weeks so as to enable the respondent number 7 to file affidavit. No one appears for the petition on call. List after 3 weeks. No one appears for the parties, huh? List after 3 weeks.
Order impeachment of party, I just felt.
Yes.
Pending contempt application, there was a direction to make the new incumbent as a party respondent, you know. There was
Heard Mr. So and so learned counsel for the applicant. Next para, listen in application. Seeking implement of one Sri Akash Dika, IS Secretary of the Welfare of Secretary Welfare of
Bodoland Department.
Bodoland Department, Assam, as a list as contender, as respondent in the connected contempt case number 50 of 21. Next para.
But there was a direction of the Honorable Court, my lord, on 1711, my lord.
It's okay, the election is not required.
That is, we replace the present respondent number 3 and
Huh?
that page 12, my, in my miscase, my.
Respond number 3.
Yeah, he has retired, my lord. So this new person has come in.
So why this 1, 2, and 4?
There remains, my.
Why you have not mentioned this 3?
Because they have, according to the respondent, my, they are the person who are supposed to implement the order.
Where is 3? Okay.
Female.
Respond number 3 is where? Page 2?
In the main case, my main case. The contempt case.
No, in this application, where is the party? Respond number 3. Why you have jumped it? 1, 2, then 4?
3. Oh,
It's okay.
other-
What is this?
Actually, it should be the 3, my lord. Yes.
You want to implement whom?
Yeah, we have to implement now the present
Akashdeep.
Akashdeep, my.
We don't know who is present, who is past. You have not mentioned what, how can this be serial number 1, 2, 4? Anyway,
Toronto Kumar Nalila. Actually, it's respondent number 3, my lord.
he has retired. He has retired.
He has new incumbent has come by.
Sir, he has retired or what?
He has been transferred.
Who?
The respondent number 3, my lord.
Why you have written 4 here?
Wrongly written, my
The petitioner, the applicant, next para, huh? Well, the connected contempt case alleging willful violation of willful and deliberate violation of order dated 04/03/2020 in the IA 3522 of 2017 arising out of writ petition WPC number 403 of 2025, wherein 3 persons have been implicated as LS contemner. This stuff. It is submitted that during the pendency of the contempt petition, one Sri Jayant Narlika, IS Commissioner and
Actually,
Secretary.
it's Jotin Bora, my lord.
Where is Jotin Bora?
He was the earlier secretary, my lord, to the government of Assam.
It is submitted that the earlier secretary to the
Jotin,
Department of what?
Department of Welfare of Bodoland Department.
Welfare of Department of Bodoland. He was not a party.
Actually, he was a party that was left out, my lord. By
Why you have left out?
my junior, my lord, typographical mistake. Yes.
Don't
I understand, my lord. that I
blame the
mistake.
junior. The earlier, what is it? It is submitted that the LS contemner number 3 was earlier serving as secretary welfare. What is it called? Secretary?
Secretary to the government of Assam, Welfare of Bodoland Department.
Secretary to the government of Assam.
Welfare of
Welfare
Bodoland Department.
Bodoland Department has been transferred. Therefore, the present incumbent would be a necessary party in the contempt case. Next para.
I'm looking for respondent number 1, Bala.
Mr. S. Bora,
For respondent number 1, but he also not presently holding that post.
Learned Counsel,
For respondent number 1,
Learned Counsel for Alice Contempt number
1.
1 has no objection to the implement of the implement of the new incumbent list of having considered that Mr. So and so Akasdeep, IS is presently serving as Secretary to the Government of Assam Welfare of Bodoland Department, comma, and considering that, comma, who would be a necessary party, who requests to be implicated as respondent, as Alice contempt number 3 in the connected contempt case number 50 of 2020, I deem it appropriate to allow this application accordingly. The Mr. Akasdeep, IS Secretary to the Government of Assam, comma, Welfare of the Bodoland Department, comma, is allowed to be implicated as respondent. So I stands allowed in this further.
In the main case, my lord, that is WPC number 403 of
In this thing, in contempt case, in view of the order passed so and so, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. So and so, No, before that, they are responsible the petitioner to file an amended cause title.
There also is WPC number, there is another petition, my lord, connected it. Still pending.
Just wait, I have not completed.
Oh,
Are you-
sorry.
Are you in a rush?
No.
Then, file an amended cause title, It is registered to incorporate so and so, Thereafter, issue notice to the newly implemented respondent so and so, and returnable by sides. Learned counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon newly implemented respondent number 3. Within 2 days.
The WPC, my lord, that is still is connected, my lord, is tagged with the contempt petition, my lord.
It's
41
already 403.
Yes, my lord, that is
It's already there.
It has been admitted, my lord, it should be listed for hearing, my lord, it's a long pending matter, my lord.
It's already there.
But it has not been listed for hearing, my lord.
Thank you.
Your lordship may pass an order, my lord, because rule has been issued in this case, my lord. They were supposed to file affidavit.
Sir, today it is listed for your IA. So I have disposed of the IA, allowing you to, allowing your IA, impleting the respond number 3. That's all. Then
But-
I have passed the order. Whatever steps you have to take, you take it.
Yeah, but so far WC, your lordship may kindly pass a separate order, my lord. Otherwise-
No, it has been listed only for this.
No, it come along with that, my lord.
Ojek, it's okay.
It was tagged, my lord.
Okay, it's okay. We'll see.
Otherwise it's a long pending matter, 2017, my lord.
Hmm.
Combination order, my lord, is there.
Can't help it.
Your lord, if it may be fixed also, my lord, that can be done. In the WPC, my lord.
Sir, this is listed for orders today, implement the party.
I understand, my lord.
Send. If you have understood why you are insisting.
But still, it is before your lordship, the WPC, that's why I was doing.
The WPC is listed. This will be listed along with that.
Yes, my lord.
Problem not.
For the long time, 2017 matter, that's why.
Unnecessary, sir.
Yes, all right. Yeah, I will make a mention, my lord, then.
Sorry, my lord. My item number 1, I am
It's
sorry.
over.
The only thing, notice is to be issued, only thing, my lord.
Huh?
Notice is to be issued. I had implemented one new, my lord, respondent. And then only notice is to be issued, my lord. That's my item number 1.
We'll see after 2 weeks. I've already passed the order.
Well, that.
Hmm.
One present will be given, my lord.
Hmm?
M. Hussain, my lord, on the request.
You're right. Then in that case, no, we'll see. After 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
Present will be on. One item.
Worship, in this case, since 2018, the petitioner, they have asked time for filing the affidavit in reply. Since then, no affidavit, no appearance. 23
None
five-
appears for the petitioner on call. MS so learned counsel for the petition is present.
For the respondent, worship.
For respondent, respondent number, all the respondents is present. What is the matter about?
It's for correction of the date of birth in the service book. worship.
Matters pertains to next para. Correction of date of birth of the petitioner. List of the petitioner was appointed as an electrician in the year 1981. And his date of birth is recorded as 02/04/1957. List of, according to the petitioner, his actual date of birth is 31/01/1962. List of the petitioner filed a representation on 24/02/2016 for correction of the said date of birth, correction of his date of birth. List of which was rejected by the respondents, respondent authorities on 07/06/2016 on the ground that as per FRNSR number 8, no alterational date of birth can be allowed. List of next para. The petitioner has please stop, huh? Please stop, you continue, huh? Please stop, next para, huh? On perusal, the record, the petitioner has approached the authority for correction of date of birth in the year 2016 after a lapse of so-and-so, huh? 1981, say you calculate, huh? And you will calculate from 1980 after lapse of so-and-so years. It is settled positions of law that the date of birth, correction of date of birth cannot be allowed after allowed if it is made after long lapse of period and at the fag end of their service. Christoph, huh? That apart, on the last two, on last occasions, on 28/05/2025. No. On last two occasions, on last two dates, huh? Dates, i.e. 18/04/2022 and 28/05/2025. Petitioner was not represented, which indicates that the petitioner is no longer interested in the interested to pursue this writ petition. Mr. Next panel. Having considered above and applying the law laid down by Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Karnataka something, huh? Karnataka, I've asked for that Karnataka so and so versus MC Subramaniam reporting in 2021, something like that, huh? 20 so and so. Couple with the continuous default in appearance, default in appearing in the matter, the writ petition stands dismissed.
Obliged.
I'll give that. Yes. I saw that one gentleman. You just give it to her. Got it? 2021. Just give it. Madam, it's there. You take it, huh? Judgment. Yes.
May I please?
Yes.
The affidavit has not yet been filed, madam.
Affidavit,
I'll question.
2018.
My lord, no affidavit and last.
2018 lots of.
3 weeks time to file counter in both the writ petitions.
I need some more time.
Why? What is the matter?
Not regarding selection and appointment of Gaonbura, madam. Gaonbura, madam.
What is the status now?
Status,
Present
madam,
status.
in this lot, my lord, no advertisement has been issued.
Advertisement is issued, my lord, that was.
The last occasion you have said so. Why you are not filing affidavit?
That is, my lord, that regarding the advertisement, my lord, the deputy commissioner, my lord, is a person, my lord, who give the advertisement, my lord, they can file affidavit.
And
We are not
The-
concerned who is,
Lord,
we are
and even when
concerned,
the regulation process is
it's a
not-
government only, whether deputy commissioner or a particular department.
Lordship.
Whoever is the person, they have to file the affidavit. We don't distinguish.
Lordship. And my lord, the regulation process, it cannot be done.
It is your, the arrangement.
Lordship, sometime maybe given.
What remains there? Are you still working?
No, Lordship.
See,
No.
these are the things.
That's the issue, let them file with an affidavit, come up.
A simple instruction, if he said that for these lots, no advertisement is issued. And on last occasion also, you said advertisement is issued, disputing it, and you are not bringing on record.
Well, advertisement issued on 6/7/18. Lordship.
That is not from this one.
Why you are holding it back? You have the, this thing.
My lord, it's a
It's-
repetition, they have annexed. Page 66. Subsequently, it was state, Lordship.
Huh?
Subsequently, it was state. Page 66, kindly see the advertisement. Pass number.
Dubri
Dobry, Lordship.
This is
and self-attest documents for appointment is Gaubura against 409 of Gaubura lots, 47 name Dubri, revenue 31 in so and so. Huh?
That was,
This is stated by the court.
my Lordship, my lord, some of the petitioner, my lord, that person, my lord, they are approached before this honorable court, it was state.
Huh? Then,
And
then you are happy.
no, Lordship, there are several, my lord, that writ petition has been filed against that order, Lordship. But they are saying that they are appointed as a Gao Pradhan.
Then
By
if
the-
it is state, advertisement was there, but then if it is state, how can you
My lord, that-
proceed?
Lordship.
My lord, let them come up with a short affidavit after 2 weeks, my lord can decide the entire issue.
Otherwise, one, there is a policy subsequently. And your appointment was just by the village
By the
people,
villagers,
not the authority.
not.
What right you have? We'll dispose it of.
Lordship. And
Dismissed.
Lordship, ma, kindly see the.
Writ petition dismissed
After 2 weeks, my lord. My lord can keep it as a.
for
part-heard-
dismissal.
My lord may keep it as a part-heard, my lord,
No, we were not.
for the purpose of dismissal, my lord.
I've seen that the parts are not been concluded.
My lord,
If we keep it part heard,
my lord.
it never, concluded.
No,
Hearing,
no, my lord. my lord-
argument never concluded.
No, my lord.
At
has-
least 5 times you have to adjourn.
My lord has recently disposed of.
I had, this court has a bitter experience
No, my lord, my lord. has
with
rec-
with my learned friend.
No, my lord, I have given my all my, my lord, extensive cooperation in that Panbari Masjid also. My lord has recently disposed of, my lord,
Huh.
by keeping the same as a part dismissed, but my lord, a very detailed judgment has been delivered. So, my lord, my humble prayer, my lord, this matter may also be kept as a part heard. Let them come with an.
No, it's okay. No part heard. No part heard business.
My lord.
But I think we last occasion also we have heard.
Lordship, it was hard.
Extensively we have heard.
Lordship.
This Gaugura matter, my lord.
Yes,
No, no,
yes.
no, this matter.
Lordship
Maybe
was
some-
hard earlier.
Maybe some other
No, no,
matter.
some other issues, Dhubri district.
No, maybe.
Yes, yes,
Maybe other district we have heard it.
my lord,
And it's clear, you don't have indefeasible right.
my lord.
Let there be advertisement, you may participate. And let there be a selection process.
Lordship. Only one person is there, my lord, who is eligible for appearing in the interview.
Sir, who
That-
has stopping you to bring on record?
No,
Filing
they-
affidavit.
In their
Last chance.
documents.
Last chance.
Lordship.
Huh? Third Mr. Air Buya, learned counsel for the petitioners. Petitioners,
My lord.
the matter is pending since 2018 for want of affidavit, want of response from the state respondents. List of, considering above, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. In the meantime, learned counsel for the respondents headed by Mr. J. Hendick
Lordship. I'm for respondent
London
one,
State Council,
2 and 3 Lordship.
headed, I said headed,
Yeah.
headed was so and so and so and so, to file their respective affidavits on or before the next date. In the event, if it is not, even if the affidavit is not filed, the matter shall be taken off without the affidavit
Lordship,
for final disposal.
Lordship. Obliged. It will be-
For 7:30.
But these are additional features. What has happened, they have paid for absorption, but in 2024, there was an amendment to the rules. Empowering the government to regularize. Now, in exercise of that rule, they have already been regularized, but I have no, I can place the regulation order on Friday, Lordship allows. But
No, if it is regularized, its matter ends there.
yes,
We'll
Lordship.
record it and we'll say what is there.
Yes, I cannot withdraw.
Don't
because I-
withdraw, we'll close it. Because you have been redressed.
Yes,
This is for regularization.
yes.
It is for regularization.
Regularization.
If they have been regularized already, what remains?
Yes, Lordship, but yes, that is.
So we'll close it. We'll record your submission and we'll say it is stated at the bar. Yes, Mr. Katanya.
Yes, madam.
If it is for regularization and if you have been regularized, then what remains? We'll
it-
close it. We'll just say that not withdraw. Not withdraw. We'll close it. Yes.
His prayer is absorption to the vacant post, the same,
Huh?
the same thing.
Where it is?
Lordship would see absorption to the vacant post.
To
prayer.
implement this, to set aside the book, to set aside the advertisement, to direct the impugn order so and so, and direct the members to absorb in the way. You have been absorbed.
Yes,
Heard Mr. BP Bora, London Council for the petitioners. One order, common order,
come on, order.
and Mr. N.J. Khatenia, London Standing Council,
Secondary education.
Secondary Educations. Next para. The writ petitioners who have been appointed as
Contractual teachers in 2010.
contractual teachers under OBB.
Not OBB, it's a different scheme.
Okay, what
It's
is?
for scheme for strengthening of secondary education. Scheme for strengthening of
have been-
secondary education.
The petitioners were appointed as teachers. What
Addition-
teacher?
Additional contractual teachers.
Additional teachers on contractual basis under the scheme of the state government.
Yes. Strengthening of secondary education.
Under the scheme of the state government for strengthening the education
In the secondary level.
in the secondary level in the state of Assam. List of. Well, they were working, serving in the capacity of additional teacher on contractual basis. An advertisement was issued basing on the policy of the state for appointment of teachers. List of the petitioners by these writ petitions have prayed for absorption in the vacant post earmark for them in terms of the as per the by office memorandum dated 03/03/2016. List of next para. It is stated at the bar that the petitioners by now have been absorbed or regularized in their respective services list of having considered the submissions of Land Council to the parties and also considering that the petitioners have essentially prayed for absorption of the regulation of their services, and the services of the petitioner and the services, their services having been regularized absorbed by now, I'm of the considerable way that nothing remains in these proceedings, to adjudicate upon, accordingly, writ petition stands closed and disposed of.
Deeply obliged.
You are also there. Finance.
Finance matter.
You are so gracious. You have
Oh, it's a long,
absorbed.
long fight from 16 to 24.
You record his name also.
I was
Whoever else, you are also there.
so obliged.
May Lordship, my
Yes.
lord, only this morning I have received this brief, my lord, I may allow some time to go to the brief as well. as
Yes.
file my- Only this morning I have received my
Okay.
brief.
MS
Iwapangla, my lord.
T. Wapang Land Council submits that she has been engaged in this matter very recently, for which he would be filing her power during the course of the day. Therefore, prays for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Mr. So-and-so, A.K. Datta Land CGC is present. Prayers aloud, list after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
16 and 17. Yeah.
Lordship, in this matter, we had filed an additional affidavit, whereby, Lordship, we had actually stated, brought on record that a proposal letter was sent. And
Where it
whereby-
is? Where it is?
Lordship, may see Perus 176,
170.
page 176, paragraph number, operating paragraph is 4, but operating page is 176. So Lordship may kindly come.
Para?
Para number 6, Lordship, of our additional affidavit. Para number 4, page 175 is the paragraph, Lordship.
78. What is the issue? I don't know how it is. Always, of course, you have erased this. There is a difference between the page numbers of the Land Council and the
Lordship, 175.
para 178, huh?
175, Lordship.
No, it's para 78 is starting here in my record. In court's record, para 4 started page 78, then
No,
Then-
Lordship,
para,
I'm on the additional affidavit, Lordship.
huh?
There is an additional affidavit by respondent number 3.
Yes,
Yes, Your Lordship.
there's a difference in your,
Pagination.
it doesn't tell you, pagination is different. Yes, para
Lordship,
4,
Para 4, Lordship, second page of that para 4, to Lordship peruses. In this
Yes.
regard, a proposal letter was sent by the Director of Education to BTC Authority.
where
Why-
it is?
Lordship, that will be on the, that is the. second-
In this regard, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. In this regard, a proposal letter has been sent by the Director of Education to BTC Authority, wide number DE BTC so-and-so, in response to letter number BTC so-and-so dated 27/12/22, in order to obtain approval for completion of regularization of services of the aforesaid grade 4 staffs. Another proposal letter was sent on 29/24, reiterating the contents of letter dated 30/3/23. The payment of salary could be made to the petitioners as and when the approval for regularization against valid sanction post is received. Now, Lordship, in this scenario, Lordship, now, if your Lordship allows us to get certain instructions on it, whether the approval has been granted or not, and what is the status of the said approval.
You are seeking regularization.
No, my lord, actually what happened, this case is relates to non-payment of salary. I have already been regularized after selection, my lord. Then what happened, they have been terminated as a teacher, my lord, not as a gate 4. We are working as a gate 4, my lord. That is my case. But we have not been receive our salary since 2009, my lord. That is my case. They have demand, of course, to the finance department. Let him bring instruction, my lord. Let the matter be listed.
You
on-
are already regularized.
I have
Your
already
services have been regularized.
Regularized. And I have received salaries. But in the year 2006, my lord, some teachers were terminated that they were irregularly appointed, my
No,
lord.
it said that if to obtain approval, completion of regulation services, the appropriate grade for staffs.
Yes, my lord.
I think you have not been regularized as yet.
No, we have already been regularized. Also, kindly see the appointment letter. And service book also open, my lord. Now we are, actually, we want non-payment of salary, though I have make a payer before the lordships, my lord, because we are not terminated actually. Lordship, kindly see the termination.
You have sent the proposal
Yes.
in 2015,
Lordship,
supplementary demand.
Lordship.
Or anything.
However, till date, no communication has been received in respect of sanction of supplementary demand from the government of Assam.
See, then last paragraph said the payment of salary could be made to the petitioner as and when approval for regulation against valid sanction post is received. They are saying that you have not been regularized.
No, I have regularized, my lord, though. I
Then
have-
why they are?
Yes, my lord, that is, of course, my lord, but we have not been received salary. The lordship kindly see the termination order, my lord. In termination order, they have not been terminated me as a gate 4. I have been terminated as a teacher,
Wrongly.
wrongly, my lord. That is why I
Otherwise-
have not been received salaries, my lord.
No,
Since then, my lord.
You are challenging the termination.
Not challenging the term. We have approached before this honorable court to pay the amount of our salaries. That
As
is
a grade 4.
as a gate 4.
But where is your termination? You said
Yes,
termination.
terminated as a teacher. Lots of kindly page
You said that is some
10.
110.
Yes.
Yes, who is this?
110, lost it.
Kalita.
Siddheswar Kalita, the petitioner, lost it. In excess of the power conferred upon the Director of the Education Secretary, in pursuance to the Order Secretary BTC, the service of the Siddheswar Kalita, assistant teacher, Dihira MV School. They were terminated me as a teacher, my lord.
So,
But I'm not terminated. I'm working as a TS, my lord. That is why we want leave salaries, my lord. They have not been paid our
no,
salary.
wrongly, rightly terminated. You have been terminated as a teacher or whatever.
As a teacher, I'm not a teacher, my lord. I am a grade 4.
So therefore,
They have issued terminated.
has this
me.
been, has this been,
They have filed affidavit, my lord. They also approached before the finance department to collect the money, my
no,
lord.
it's okay, but then whether this order, termination order as a teacher, even then, has it been corrected?
No.
It is terminated as a teacher.
Madam, even if it is teacher, maybe principal, but then problem is termination order has been issued in your name
In my name as a
wrongly. Unless it is corrected, it remains.
No, my lord, then yes, I am as it is, my lord, because I am not.
No, once you are terminated
Yes.
wrongly, unless it is corrected, it remains.
Then I approach because on the.
This will create a problem for you.
Create no, my lord, this is a case, my lord, what happened in this case?
Has it been recalled? Has it been recalled? This order has been recalled. Has
Yes,
it
my
been
lord,
recalled
yes,
or what?
Yes, I approach this honorable court because I approach this honorable court and honorable court pass an order, also kindly peruse.
That is what I'm asking.
120. What happened in this case, my lord?
No, I've understood. Let us one by one. Then 120?
23.
Huh.
Division bench pass an order regarding the termination of the teachers, my lord. Even then I approached before this and I obtained this order because they have been terminated me as a teacher, my lord. Then
Where it is?
kindly peruse the High Court's order, 123.
Ah,
May I read, my lord? Hard appellants and respondents. We are in this case, my lord. The policy decision taken by the Bodoland Territorial Council is received on record. The appellants were teachers appointed and working in various MEMB schools in Bodoland Territorial District area. In the case of the appellants, that appellants were appointed in the year 1999 and earlier thereto. The appointments of the said teachers come to be terminated as being illegal, and that the appointment order issued by the District Elementary Education Officer, Block Elementary Education Officer in Nalbari districts were illegal. Therefore, termination order was issued by the director on this court WPC 2152/2009 batch, and had found that the termination orders are illegal and reminded the matter to follow the principle of natural justice. The Director of Education redid the exercise and again terminated for the second time, giving some reason. Agreed by the said orders, the appellant have filed a writ petition. The learned single judge had found that the orders of appointment has been issued illegally and that the order of termination is illegal. Hence dismiss of the writ petition. Agreed by the said order, the appellant filed these appeals. It is submitted that by the council for the appellants that the appellants were received salaries up to 2006, and thereafter the termination was affected. The BDC as well as the government of Assam took a decision to regularize all these teachers who are in service and are regularly receiving salaries 2006. The first phase of the exercise, it is submitted that 221 teachers have been found to be eligible for regularization as per the above norm. It is contended of the appellants that the appellants are also similarly placed and they should have receiving the salaries treatment of the law. The council appearing for the BTC submits that policy decision is taken that the persons receiving regular salaries from the month of 2006 would be regularized, and the implementation of the policy is in process. The government of Assam has also agreed to the said policy. In view of the above submission, the writ appeals are disposed of direction to the respondent to regularize as per the policy decision of all those.
It's about the teachers only,
Teachers.
not by grade 4.
Not by grade 4. Even then, they have been, my lord, regularized again, my lord, 2020, 2015, because we are also, since it is, they have been terminated me as a teacher, we approach along with the termination portion of the teacher. Then lordship kindly peruse 125.
Yes.
It is termination has been withdrawn.
Consequent upon BTC executive regular department meeting so and so, so and so, so and so,
Termination order withdrawn by the BTC, my lord. Then they have been withdrawn our termination also, though we are working as a grade 4. And again regularized, my lord, 2025.
That is, I was asking simple question, whether the termination order has been withdrawn or not.
Yes,
You
yes.
said you know.
Yeah, no, my lord, I'm sorry, I'm extremely sorry.
Unnecessary.
But now your lordship may come to page
Take time.
148 of our affidavit.
Hmm.
Lordship, we have categorically stated that he was appointed as a chowkidar and reinstated in their respective school in the same capacity and was not holding a substantive post. And due to the lack of a substantive vacant post, lordship, he was not regularized. And therefore, the process of regularization of the services of grade 4 against those valid sanctions.
What
was
those
not-
mean there? The January issued from this and is hereby withdrawn and his service is regularized, reinstated as grade 4. That's all.
Yes, my
Page
lord.
125.
As per government policy. this-
Termination withdrawn
Lordship.
and as per the policy, service has been regularized. Now you have to pay, that's all.
Yes, my lord.
That's
Nothing doing.
for that, lordship, we are on, let me get the instruction on that, whether, because finally, lordship, the finance is not a subject.
Since the 2000.
Lordship,
Right.
Another point here is that finance is not a transfer subject. lordship.
Huh?
Finance is not a transfer subject.
Do we need to decide that?
Lordship, we have already.
Do we need to decide here in
So,
this
lordship, let me
proceedings?
get the instruction on this, whether that supplementary demands which have been provided, what is the status of that, lordship?
Heard MSK Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner.
MK Das question.
Mr.
MK Das. lordship.
MK Das, learned standing counsel, BTC,
BTC.
submits that the authorities, BTC authorities are yet to receive the demand, supplementary demand for payment of salaries to the petitioner, which was initiated and submitted way back in 2015, thereafter resubmitted in the year 2023. Christoph, considering that even after lapse of, since when you are not getting?
2015, it has been, termination has been withdrawn. Actually, we have received salaries 2006, up to 2006.
Thereafter you have not?
No, my lord.
How you have survived?
We are still working.
Then how you have survived?
Some teachers giving them a little bit money like that.
You should not have.
They took time, several times, my lord.
What has-
So approached this honorable court before 2021.
Lapse of more than 20 years. The petitioner who is working as grade 4 employee is left without any salary. The learned counsel for the BTC, Mr. So-and-so, is to obtain instruction. It is made clear that if no instruction is forthcoming on the next date of listing, appropriate order shall be passed.
Lordship, the date may be fixed immediately after.
If you have survived more than 20 years without, the salary, wait for some other few weeks. Yes,
After 2 weeks, then after vacation.
after 3 weeks. This the matter after 3 weeks.
Every day.
Your lordship, Ms. Bhimna is on legs, your lordship, after some time.
What is the matter?
Lordship, relates to pension, your lordship.
Ah,
Provisional pension are being paid, is being
Ah.
paid by the government. Final pension could not be done because there is a criminal proceeding is pending still now. That is the reason. Other
What-
benefits, you
what
got-
is- what is-
file an affidavit to that extent.
what is the law?
You have to wait for finalization of the criminal case. And moreover, my ball is in the court of the AG. AG has been directed to finalize the matter.
Any case can be taken up.
AG can take up the, AG can pay it. We have got no objection for payment. I am from the principal, my lord.
She will come in 5 minutes, your lordship, my senior.
Yes, who is for the AG? Accountant General.
Okay, party has to-
Yes. Ways to clear that?
AG, my lord, Accountant General, Assam. My lord, I take your lordship page 130 of their affidavit, where Honorable High Court has directed the AG to finalize the matter, my lord.
130?
131, 130, and relevant portion is my lord 131. They have given an affidavit also. They got everything for pension is not regular. He is getting provisional pension, not regular pension. Regular pension will be, it is all in the hands of the AG, my lord. So they have kept pending better notes to them. It is High Court order. Justice Devashi. It's another affidavit. Everything they got except the final pension. We have got nothing to do.
Where is the stand of the affidavit has been AG? Are you
Yes.
appearing for AG? Huh? Not Advocate General, Accountant General.
Account General.
Who is appearing? Who is the head of the department? Which department?
Education.
Huh? What is your stand?
That there is some, he was the headmaster, so there was some audit, objection is there, and audit was not carried out. For as per the court order, you have conducted an audit, sir. What is the outcome of the audit, sir? That instructions today I have sought for the instruction from the department also.
No. On the basis of that audit, can the pensionary benefits be withheld? Under which law?
The audit is not.
Under which provision of law?
I will follow. Let the matter will keep on next week. I will get the instruction regarding the audit clearance as well as that recent problem.
Or if I may pay lordship, at two, your lordship, my senior will also appear. in the-
No, it's not, no point. Because they don't have any instruction, they have nothing, they don't have any response. Call the AG for this thing. I mean, the Standing Council for Accountant General.
কোন আছে?
Who has to clear it? Who can withhold and who can withhold?
AG can tell. AG can tell.
Sir, can we go through assemblage, the basic provisions of law?
That in this matter.
FRSR.
But that's what it. That department will have to send a proposal to the AG and AG then clear it.
Who, under what circumstances it can be withheld?
If there is a criminal proceeding is pending.
Under which provision of law?
21 perhaps under Assam.
You say so, no? Otherwise, the FR will apply.
There is a provision in the.
Specific, you have the specific state rules. Yes.
Rule 21. If it is departmental or criminal proceeding is pending.
This is all equally in the FRSR.
21.
Anybody has filed that, is taking that stand? Anybody, any
Yes, they have filed, we have also filed affidavit, they have also filed affidavit.
saying that stand, taking that stand? Have you
No,
taken
no,
that
no, that is
stand?
not there.
Who has filed taking that stand?
We have cleared, from the school, we have cleared everything. We have sent it everything.
It's okay. I just wanted to know how it has been withheld.
Because of the audit objection that my learned friend has submitted just now.
From where we have to get it?
My lord, in the repetition is there. Or our affidavit you will get, my lord. Our affidavit, my lord, you will get. Hmm.
— 1969.
Rule 21.
Yes.
Yes.
Got it. One of Assam regards the right of withdrawing the pension of any party, whether permissible for a specific or not the right of ordering the recovery from the pension as a whole or part of laws through government. If a departmental or judicial position of the prisoner is found to be one department is instituted by
Yes.
If in a department or judicial proceedings, during the period of his, the pensioner is found guilty of great misconduct, it has to be found guilty. Allegation won't do. It has to be proved, found guilty. Has he been found guilty? Was there any disciplinary proceedings or any criminal proceedings? whether the authority has withheld it, applying this rule. Simply not doing, simply on the basis of
Original six
pendency
cases
of
is still pending.
pendency of criminal proceeding won't do. You have to pass orders to that effect.
From this, pension has not been finalized. So withholding and non-payment depend on the date of finalization. As this pension has not been finalized, due to non-submission of non-clear certificate and non-audit, so it will have to be taken care of at the.
You want, so you have no idea whether any order has been passed withholding the. Okay. Yes, heard Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that his senior is on the legs in some other courts, for which he prays for adjournment the matter, prays for pass over the matter for some time. This Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner, the respondent, standing counsel, submits that although there is an allegation against the petitioner, no instruction is, he has no received any instruction as to whether the pensionary benefits has been withheld in accordance with the provisions of law or not. Therefore, prays for some time to obtain instruction. Considering above, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. On the next day, so as to enable the learned standing counsel as well as the learned standing counsel for the respondents, including the standing counsel, including the counsels, including the counsel for Accountant General, to obtain instruction.
Lordship, but date
Just
may be
after
fixed.
3 weeks.
Date may be fixed, Lordship, after
3 weeks, we'll see.
because it's an old matter, Your Lordship. This regarding.
Who is respondent number 5?
Myself, principal, I am the principal.
Respondent number 6?
I am school manager.
Wait.
School manager. Respondent number 6.
Main parties are not filing affidavit.
We have.
I can.
Mr. So and so, so and so, at their name, submit applicant for respondent 6 and 7. 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
5 and 6 have filed their affidavit.
Being for the petitioner, Lordship. Last occasion, 2 weeks time they granted the state to file affidavit.
They have not filed.
They have not filed, and as we get respondent number 3, 4, and 7, the college authority,
Yes.
they have also not filed any affidavit.
Who is appearing?
The private respondent has already filed affidavit, we have filed our result also.
Private respondent are not concerned. Your essentially your grievance is against the state only.
State, yes.
Yes, who is for the state?
Otherwise, if they are praying for the select list to be published, Lordship, it's an advertisement of 2020. Lordship will file a short affidavit, Lordship.
What happened to the advertisement? I mean, there was a selection process. There was a selection process.
Yes, Lordship. And private respondent number 6 got selected, Lordship. So, Lordship, they are claiming to publish for publication of the select list, Lordship. That's their prayer, Lordship. So, Lordship.
There was the respondent, private respondent has been appointed without publishing the select list.
No, Lordship, it has been selected accordingly in accordance with law, Lordship.
No, whether the select list was published or not.
Governing body, Lordship, they will give the names, Lordship.
Who is governing body?
Governing body is gonna.
Who appeared?
No, no, Lordship,
I need to settle the report out of
they are not appearing.
Who is the authority who conducted the selection process?
Lordship, it is the respondent number 3, Lordship, 3-4.
Who are they?
The principal, Lordship, the Pragjutis College, Lordship.
Who has to publish? Who has to publish the select list?
Lordship, there is no scope of publication, Lordship. They provide us the names and then, Lordship, we consider, Lordship, the governing body, Lordship, of the particular college, Lordship. Lordship, I'll file my affidavit for 1 and 2, Lordship.
And Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petition. On the prayer of Mr.
D. Upamanu.
D. Upamani, learned standing counsel,
Higher education.
higher education. For that 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. You are who is appearing for whom?
Lordship, 1 and 2, I am appearing. Lordship.
Then?
I'm for R6,
What is your stand?
Frivolous petition.
It's
a frivolous petition should be dismissed.
so easily,
Yes.
so easily. Okay. So dismiss.
Lordship, this is only one ground, please. Yeah, other grounds also, yeah.
Yes.
Keep your mind.
Right.
Here, my lord, I am appearing for the impleaded respond number 6-31, only newly impleaded. Lord, we have filed one interlocutory application for vacating and modification of the stay order. That's not on the list. Lord, may I pray for listing this matter along with that application?
Why not go for final disposal?
My lord can take up for final disposal also. my lord. Because there's an interim order of 1st of March 2024. My lord, by the interim order, it appears, my
But
lord.
of course not today.
Of
Of course not today.
the interim order, it, my lord, appears, my lord, that only.
Winter is approaching.
So, my lord, it's a very simple,
Chill weather is approaching.
only from yesterday
Yes.
in Guwahati.
Okay, then we'll list along with that.
Yes, sir.
Possible
And
take it up for
take it up
final
for final
disposal
disposal.
on next date. But we'll say that this should be listed.
Milord,
along with-
Milord,
And
IA is
Mr.
4006 of.
Just
22.
wait. K.N.
submit
Chaudhary.
this in January, Milord.
K.N. Chaudhary, London Senior Counsel assisted by MS R.R. Kakut, London Counsel for the petitioners. Next para. Mr. B. Kaushik, London Counsel for respondent number
Respond number 6-31, my lord.
6-13 submits that he has filed an interlocutory application which has not been listed along with which has not been listed today. Therefore, first for listing of first for taking up the IA along with these main petitions. List of considering above. Let this matter be listed after 4 weeks. We'll say 4 weeks.
My lord,
Also,
fix
give a date in
date, my
January,
lord.
Milord.
Yeah, January. my lord.
What is the urgency here?
My lord, the stay order, my lord, by way of this stay order, my
After
lord, the results have
4
not been
weeks. You
declared.
just keep the date.
Milord, could it be on, Milord, 21st of January, Milord?
I think 21st we have fixed so many matters.
Okay, then 23rd.
Maybe after 25.
Okay, 28, Milord. 28 is a
Twen-
Tuesday.
28.
I put 2 to 5.
You record his name. TC should.
Deep, my lord, may I pray for a and to reflect my name in the respondents column, my lord?
It's not reflected.
Not so, my lord.
Okay. Register to reflect the name of Mr. B. Kaushik, London Counsel, for response 6-35, 37.
6-31.
30.
Deep, grateful, my lord. 28.
Yes.
Principal respondent needs to file affidavit.
I am filing my affidavit during the course of the day, Lordship. If it can be on any other day, Lordship. I'm appearing for.
It will go to next.
Yeah,
next
first
next
week of
year.
January, Lordship.
That's fine.
First.
Mr. Learn counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Arkit D. Chaudhary, learned DSGI.
For 1 and 2, Lordship.
For respondent number 1 and 2, submits that you would be filing affidavit of office during the course of the day. Considering above, let this matter be listed in the first week of January, 2026.
Our questions.
Right, please, your lordships. Your lordships kindly see the last order 1/9/2025.
Yes.
And my lord, they have placed that the one that issue. Reference is made before the division bench. Because there are two opinions.
Yes, Mr. Kathanier.
No, I am PP Dutta.
No, the
Yes, the
mention-
matter has been.
submission is made by him.
Yes.
That the same matter has been
Listed.
pending before the reference has been is pending before the division bench.
Yes.
What happened? So do you have any idea?
No, my lord, because they have not.
Since there's a submission by, you could have
They have not
find
supplied-
it out.
They have not supplied the retable number, my.
No, you could have find it out.
If they give the.
He is coming, Khatani is coming, Lordship. Matter will take now.
99.
My lord.
That's in, Otherwise, what is the issue?
My lord, the petitioner claims one adverse increment. One adverse increment because they obtained the B.Ed degree.
After some time. Just inform. After some time.
Sorry to interrupt your lordship. In item 25, there is an interim order.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue. Item 25. Okay.
Wrongly listed a motion, admission for a motion, the notice has not been issued.
Huh?
After have been listed a motion,
Did.
notice has not been issued.
From item 27 to 30, Lordship.
Huh?
From item 27 to 30, similar matters, Lordship. Notice were not issued, Lordship, in this matters.
Then we'll issue notice, that's
Yes,
all.
yes, Lordship.
We'll not pass any order. What is the issue?
Lordship, pertaining to Lordship, person with disability, they are claiming Lordship appointment. And they were asked to Lordship, as per the advertisement, Lordship, they were asked to reassessment. They were called for reassessment, Lordship, of their physical disability, Lordship.
So is being heard by coordinate bench.
Coordinate bench, Lordship.
Huh?
This issue has been being heard by a coordinate bench, my lord. After a long time, my lord. The 7th day has been hearing, my lord. And next is date is fixed for 11.
11, for what?
My lord,
For hearing.
Yes,
Hearing.
hearing. Because a similar petition was dismissed, earlier dismissed by a coordinate bench, my lord. So at the very first day, madam, on motion day, my lord, without perusing the act, scheme of the act or the provision of the act.
So should we issue notice or
notice.
Lordship? We'll wait for the outcome of that.
Lordship, issue notice, madam, because
And why not passing any order on this? Huh?
Yeah.
Item 27 to
30, Lordship.
30. And then separate orders, huh? Why? This appointment of what?
But this persons of PWD matter, they participate in the selection matter,
Which selection process?
or grade four,
Grade one,
grade four.
grade four.
And after examination, my lord, interview, result was declared and department was allotted.
Hmm.
After that, my lord, the government decided to reassess their percentage of disability, my lord.
Hmm.
In the reassessment, my lord, they found they are less than the 40% benchmark disability. Therefore, they are not issuing the appointment.
So review petition is a,
Review
Dismissed,
petition is
Lordship.
dismissed, saying that in review jurisdiction, though my earlier order was the erroneous, grossly erroneous, but in review jurisdictions, I cannot consider the subsequent judgment passed by the Honorable Apex Court. Subsequently, when after passing of the order by the coordinate bench, my lord, that law under section 34 has been settled by this Apex Court. Say,
then you file a fresh writ petition.
No, Lordship,
No.
he preferred an appeal against that review.
then
That is pending, Lordship.
in review, my lord, review due on the ground that I cannot, in review jurisdiction, once I have taken a view, I cannot change my view in review jurisdiction. So it's a case of appeal. I prepared an appeal,
Yes.
my lord. On that date, my lord, this case was, this 4 case was also listed before that coordinate bench, my lord. The coordinate bench say, directed to list the appropriate bench, my lord, this.
So this is writ petition or review?
This is a petition.
No, what happened to that review? Review
Review
was dismissed.
Dismissed.
Thereafter,
Thereafter, I have filed appeal.
appeal is pending.
Appeal is pending, my lord, because.
Fixed on
my
9th
lord,
of January, Lordship.
9th of January.
Yes, along with
So this can-
along with the delay, IA for delay, my lord.
Condemnation.
And delay has been listed, my lord. That IA has been listed along with the read appeal. Read appeal has not been numbered till date, my lord, because there is a delay. Because review was pending.
So then we cannot issue notice. Matter is pending unless any order is passed in division bench.
After, my lord, even after the dismissal of the previous writ petition, my lord, the same coordinate bench, similar matter had issued the notice. And subsequently, all courts are issuing notice, my lord. Because of the objection raised by this, my lord, my colleague, my lord, in the first day, my lord, the court was of the view that some order is passed in the review. Till on that day, I had not filed the review. When these matters came before this honorable court, my lord. So therefore, my lord, the court was pleased to pass an order that unless some order is passed in the review petition, it's not proper to consider this matter. But if your lordship kindly see the order dated-
And last order, it says that list this case along review petition, one for which is stated pending. What happened to that?
that was. That the review petition, these matters are listed along with the review petition. Review petition was dismissed, saying that once I have taken a view, my lord, I cannot change in review jurisdiction, though it is a.
So it was dismissed.
It was dismissed, saying that though earlier my order was grossly erroneous, but I cannot.
It's okay, I've understood. That has been dismissed. Now it is, you have taken it to appeal, which is yet to be numbered.
Yes.
Similar issue.
Yes, Lordship.
Similar, what is this matter about? Then
Similar.
this matter,
Issues, appointment, issue is similar, but in that case, in what issue was dealt with by the honorable Apex coordinate bench, my lord, not deal with the issues which are raised in this writ petition, or the.
that means it's not connected.
Not connected, my lord.
Similar matter. Yes, Upamanyu, he's saying that this is different case.
Lordship, similar matter, let it come after 9th of January since appeal is pending, Lordship.
He said is that there was not, issue was different,
Lordship, same issue, Lordship.
which was the subject matter of appeal or the
Lord,
review. It was
if-
something different.
The broad issue is the appointment, but which issue?
We'll see after 9. All right, it's difficult. He said that on the first day only review Unless review is filed, then thereafter it was listed along with the review. It was to be listed along with the review. So review was dismissed. Review was rejected, right?
Rejected, but this petition, writ petition were not rejected.
Now can you allow to file again? So where is the question of issuing
But the
notice?
review petition was dismissed. I had placed.
Whatever may be. Similar issues has been decided. Review petition was rejected. You have taken it to appeal.
My lord, may it come at motion column.
Huh?
Come at the motion column.
Not motion. We'll list after
9/11.
But at motion column, my lord.
after 9th. Heard Mr. So and so learn counsel for the petitioner. 27 to
30, Lordship.
separate orders, huh? And Mr. D. Upamani, learned counsel for the parties. As agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, let this matter be listed after 9th of
January 2026.
after 9th of so and so
Motion column.
in the motion.
Highly obliged.
That would be better. We cannot issue notice like that.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Item 23 and 24, interim may be continued, Lord.
Interim order personal relations. Huh? They continue. No, 13.
May it please your lordship. My lord, we had filed an affidavit in reply. Perhaps it's not on record. It needs to be on record. Could we have it on Friday? Thursday, Friday?
Mr. Isbanik, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that an affidavit in reply has been filed. Mr. However, same is not on in the record. Registry to verify. If it is filed, please have her take along with the record. List.
May I pray for listing?
MS.
Lordship,
for the
Education Department.
Learned standing council,
Yes,
secondary education is present. As agreed to by learned council for the parties. List is better
10,
after
11, 12, any date. Any date.
after 3 weeks.
No, I'm praying for a date, my lord.
When?
10th, 11th, 12th, this month.
How? What is the urgency?
Urgency is, my lord, a gentleman is continuing as a headmaster, not only without proper qualification, but also because the orders passed by this honorable court. I would not open up further because that would meet my pleadings as well as their pleadings on record. Therefore, on 10th, we challenge the provincialization of that person on the count that the judicial orders holding a contrary view in the same matter. Now, let me address on 10th, my lord. I would have addressed it right now, but a document is not there.
Not 10th.
Before the vacation, I'm praying for a date.
After a week.
After a week, lordship fixes a date.
Difficult, very difficult. Next
I'll
week will be
make a mention tomorrow, my lord.
next week will be a motion day.
I'll make a mention tomorrow.
I mean motion days.
What considers me, Lord, it was on board, but for that affidavit being not on record, I take the responsibility, Lord. Somehow it missed up.
Yes, let's see on Friday.
Wait a
Friday
minute.
is what?
It's a Monday.
12th of December, Lord.
12th. Let's see on Friday.
Wait for,
12th.
bless.
I'm not sure, huh? Thirty-four.
Hey, President.
Huh.
This case Lordship, I have challenged the impone order dated 22/5/2023 and it's a 13 page number 64 Lords. Where rejected our prayer for provincialization of school Lordship by the Secretary of Education Department Lords. Department of School Education Lordship. In Lordship, the 11 page number 64. 65, that is the decision Lord. government has taken a stand that the act of provincialization in the year of 2011, which was struck down by this honorable division bench.
You are challenging the rejection
Yes,
of
yes,
under the 2011.
yes.
Much water has flown by now.
No, Lordship. Prior to that, Lordship, we have filed a several round litigation before this honorable court, Lordship. And thereafter, Lordship, I have fighting, Lordship, for getting justice. But my name wrongly excluded from the list of provincialization.
Yes,
In this case, Lordship, we need some time to file our affidavit in the opposition.
you
Lordship.
have not filed.
Not Lordship.
Okay. Who has filed the affidavit? The additional affidavit. Okay,
There is-
2025.
We have filed.
Art Mr. So-and-so done counsel for deputies on the prayer of Mr.
PP Datta.
P.P. Datta,
Datta.
Standing Council.
Lordship.
Standing Council,
Education. Lordship.
Education Department.
Second.
Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
Obliged.
Yes, call that time in.
Item 26.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, division bench has already passed the order. I have already shared that order.
Yes,
And that Khatonier. Yes.
yes.
And that division bench has ordered that to verify the B.Ed degree of that petitioner, if found eligible, they would be entitled. That's I have shared that.
Close it.
Fine. In view of that.
The application number 99/2020, madam.
Where is that?
Ahana, I would-
Exact similar matter.
Similar.
Similar issue.
W
That issue was referred to the honorable division. bench.
994/2020. I mean, you search for this.
Find out. Huh? Heard Mr.
And how?
N. Hock, Learned Council for Deputy, and Mr.
PP Datta.
P.P. Datta, Learned Standing Council, and both of you.
Oh, madam.
Uh,
One will do, madam.
for the education, school,
I'll teach it.
what is that? Standing Council, school,
No, Lordship, education secondary.
education secondary,
Secondary. Department.
Learned Standing Council, secondary education department. Agreed by the non, no, sorry. The petitioner who is working as regular teacher in which school you are in?
The three petitioners, my lord, three schools.
The petitioners who are serving as regular teacher
High school.
in high school oblique SSC schools.
Right.
Claims for grant of 1 increment advance for acquiring B.Ed degree. The challenge is today, order dated 09/08/2020. Where is that order?
Page 66, Heading 50,
66.
my lord.
Last paragraph, my lord.
passed by the Director of Secondary Education, whereby the claim of the petitioners for granting of one advance increments for acquiring B.Ed degree has been rejected. Next paragraph. It is stated at the bar that this is by it was that the similar issue has been decided by the division bench in the on reference in the case of Mukhtar Hussain in WPC, Mukhtar Hussain and others in WPC 994 of 2020 by the order dated 26/11/2024. Which is extracted here in, which is reproduced here in bill, from here. The last, having considered that the issue in this present proceeding having been decided by the division bench and as agreed to by learned counsel for the petition that the present proceedings would be covered by the judgment of the division bench on reference. I simply will close it.
Disposed. Can't be disposed, right?
Huh?
Be disposed of what may be then. Those means, my lord.
Accordingly. The writ petition stands disposed of. This stuff. This stuff. We'll say needless to observe that the similar relief be granted to the needless to observe that the petitioners would also be entitled to the similar relief granted by the division bench in the above above referred case. That's all. Because it's for those who falls under those 438. According to you, falls under that.
Yes, yes. If word is there, my lord.
Or we'll say apply.
Yes.
Then when in that case, we'll say not similar. In case this accordingly the order that is so and so passed by division bench so and so supra shall also be applicable to the case of the petitioners. No, that's it. Once it is applied, you have to carry. It's 26.
Lordship, we have not received the instructions in this matter, Lordship. We have not received the instructions in the matter, Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time.
Heard, Mr.
S.J. Soike.
S.J. Soike, learned counsel for the petitioner. Further 3 weeks' time is granted. Last time also 3 weeks.
Lordship, 25 matter only, Lordship. We have prayed for the instructions.
Last opportunity.
On the prayer of Mr. Dinath,
Lordship,
learned
for all the respondents. Lord.
Standing Council APGCL for all the respondents. Another 3 weeks' time is granted for filing affidavit.
Lordship, it's a 25 matter, Lordship.
Wait for some time.
36.
Yes,
My lord, the petitioners before the lordship are eligible for provincialization of their service.
yes,
But
yes.
other candidates are considered, but his claim is not considered. My lord. This is the simple player, my lord.
Yes.
But in any case, my lord, they would consider, my lord, the matter may be disposed of, my lord.
No, we cannot. With one response. Yes, heard Mr. A.M. Burbuya, Land Council for the petitioner. Yes,
Sir, my lord, I have next one order, my lord. Lordship kindly, my lord, directly page 24, my lord, relevant
you
portion.
tell the other party. Who is appearing?
Paragraph 24, page 24, my lord, paragraph 7, my lord. In any case, my lord, ultimately they would consider. my lord.
School Education, Commissioner Secretary,
Yes. Sir.
Finance, Director, Elementary Education.
Paragraph 7, my lord, page 24, my lord. Department will consider, my lord. Provincialization of service.
Representation.
Will submit, my lord.
Huh?
In any case, my lord, such kind of matter, my lord, ultimately department would consider. my lord.
They have to agree.
In the act also, there is a provision for appeal, my lord, before the authorities.
Paragraph, my lord, 6, my lord, I have stated, my lord.
Saying what?
Paragraph 6, page 7, my lord. And his appointment letter, my lord, page 11, my lord. He was appointed as, my lord, grade 4, my lord.
You don't want to file affidavit? Yes.
Under section 14, my lord, they can approach the authorities, my lord, let the authorities take a call.
My lord, maybe dispose of, my lord, they will, I mean, this order along with representation, my lord.
Not representation, my lord. There is a statutory appeal, my lord, you will prefer that. Sir.
If you there's a statutory appeal, you file an appeal, why we should direct? We'll grant you a liberty, you file an appeal. All right. You file an appeal.
No, with the observation, my lord,
Heard Mr.
M. Borgia.
Land Counsel for the petitioner, who submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition with a liberty to file an appeal under section 14 of
Assam Provincialization Reorganization Educational Service Act
Just
2007.
keep that.
May not be allowed to withdraw, my lord, this observation, my lord, may be disposed of. Yes, there is a provision to file appeal, my lord, petitioner.
Then
2070 provincialization.
we'll give you a
Education
liberty.
manual.
Withdraw, my lord, or my lord, what term withdraw may not be, my lord, used.
Education manual.
Why?
Only, my lord,
It's not maintainable when there is a statutory appeal.
but after hearing the, my lord, parties, my lord, it is found that, my lord, there is a provision, my lord, to file appeal, my lord, accordingly matter may be disposed of. This is act my learned friend is, my lord, providing this is Assam Education Provincialization of Service Non-Teaching Staff of Venture Educational Institution Act 2018.
You just said her so and so said her. The case of the petitioner is that only one,
Only one.
he or she,
He.
he was appointed as grade 4 employee in MA Laskar and SA Laskar MA school Kashipur, Kachar on 10/08/2008 by the School Management Committee. And since then, he has been working in the said school. List of it is contended that as per the provisions of Assam education within bracket provincialization of services of non-teaching staff of venture education institution bracket clause act 2018, just mark it, huh? The services of teaching staffs of aforesaid school, while the services of teaching staffs of aforesaid school were already provincialized in the year 2021, comma, the case of the petitioner and other non-teaching staffs are yet to be provincialized. Therefore, by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction. Your case has been rejected or what?
No, not rejected, my lord. Recommended by the DLC, but lying with the, my lord, government, my lord. It is, they are not taking call, my lord.
Then in that case, what is the question of appeal? Appeal is against which order?
Against, even if he is aggrieved by the non-recommendation by the state level scrutiny committee.
No, that has not been done.
His case is that he was recommended by the district level scrutiny committee and the state level scrutiny, because state level scrutiny committee has perhaps rejected because all provincialization process.
See, if it is not rejected as on today, you have to consider there is no question of appeal.
But
Perhaps you will be sure if it is rejected, there may be appeal. Appeal provision is there.
The provincialization process ended up in 2021, February 2021.
You don't know. That's why I'm saying.
I can take instruction on that.
Appeal is against which order? Which action?
Against any grievance regarding the district scrutiny or state level scrutiny.
District scrutiny has recommended their name.
His name we have recommended. No?
Yes, then
there's no recommendation.
Sir, therefore you have to file affidavit. Let them file affidavit. We'll see.
That recommendation is also not a part of the record in the
No, record page 19.
No. Page 19 is a list of particulars, not a minutes of the district scrutiny committee.
Let him file affidavit or instruction. You will bring an instruction. If it is rejected, you may file an appeal. If it is not rejected,
I'll take an instruction.
Next week in that case. Yes. Why to keep it unnecessary pending? See, will you have to see under what circumstances appeal can be filed? It's not, I think, all the actions or inaction. Just read section 14.
State level scrutiny committee shall be the appellate authority against any recommendation of the district scrutiny committee, and the state government in the concerned administrative department shall be the appellate authority against any recommendation of the state level scrutiny committee.
See, according to him, his case has been recommended by a district level committee. Right?
Yes.
And it is yet to be decided by the state level committee. Finally, state level committee has to recommend.
That's what is projected.
So it has not been. If it is not considered, what's the question of appeal?
I'll take the instruction.
Appeal will lie to SLC in case of non-recommendation or refuse to recommend.
Either recommendation of somebody else or
maybe. His case is that his case has been recommended, but SLC is yet to consider.
Yes, madam.
You just obtain the instruction. If it is not considered, you consider, that's all.
Next 17, my lord.
List after a week.
On 17.
On which that the learned council, so as to enable the Mr. B. Kaushik Learned Standing Council, so and so. Secondary education. Elementary education to obtain instruction. As regard the consideration by the SLC on on the recommendation as regards the consideration of the case of the prisoner by SLC. Huh?
Kindly, my lord, all 17 may come, my lord. 17 December.
No urgency. After a week, we'll see.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship, in this matter, respondent number 3 has filed affidavit in opposition. I need 2 weeks time to file our reply.
MS
R. Kakoti.
R. Kakoti, learned counsel for the petitioner. Respondent is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. Mr. B.
Chakraborty.
B. Chakraborty.
Correspondent 3.
Learned counsel for respondent number 3 is present. You have filed the affidavit?
No.
Your affidavit only she wants to reply, yeah. Yes, okay.
Lordship, in this matter, we have filed our affidavit in reply today, Lordship. Same is not on record. Lordship, can it be taken up?
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the
Pleading has been completed, Lordship. Can it be taken up next week, Lordship?
submits that affidavit in
Reply.
has been filed. However, same is not taken to the record. Mr. So-and-so, so-and-so. In view of, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Can it be after 1 week, Lordship?
What is the matter?
Lordship, it pertains to TETCOM recruitment examination, Lordship.
Huh?
TETCOM recruitment examination, Lordship.
We'll see.
Already appointment has been made, Lordship.
Ah.
Posts are vacant, as per our knowledge, Lordship.
We'll see. After 2 weeks. What I said? 2 weeks. Rested to verify. No, how about so and so, huh? Is not take to that. Then you continue rested to verify. If it is, if the affidavit reply is filed, take with the record, huh? Then you write it. Then list after change. 2 weeks, huh?
Respondent number 1 file affidavit on 5/12. You have to
Kiram,
hello.
not Mr. K. And on a prayer, Mr. K.R. Padgiri, Land Council, but the petitioner. 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit reply.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship. May kindly peruse the last order, lordship.
Yes.
Order dated 17/11/2025, lordship. Action was given to the respondent authorities to verify the claim of the petitioner, lordship. The annexes, lordship, which I have annexed along with the petition.
Yes, Mr. Kaur, Additional Advocate General, is supposed to obtain instruction. Please inform. Please inform. He's around. After some time. Just inform now.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
Last proposal, Council for Education Department. is
Yes,
sending
Education Department.
Instruction already received, lordship. There's no time for affidavit action. Problem is, my salary has also.
PN Sharma. Last occasion. Yes. Yes, sir. PN Sharma appeared last occasion.
He's not the council actually. He's not involved, that's.
Elementary. Elementary. No affidavit has been filed.
Problem is that my salary has been held up, lordship.
Huh?
That my salary has also been held up during pendency of the repetition.
Why it should be held up?
Lordship, actually, a transfer order is in challenge. The main
Okay.
petition now. During the pendency of this petition and during the time when the honorable matter is under observation of this honorable court lordship, the department concerned has issued so called notice. And subsequently, my salary has also been held up.
Your challenge is your transfer on
transfer,
that.
Your Lordship.
Then in between what happening? What is happening?
In between actually.
What happened?
For some reason, I will challenge the transfer order. Now, during the pendency of the writ petition itself, the department is parallelly continuing with.
You are which work? Which post? Were working as
Graduate teacher. Lordship.
graduate teacher. From where to where? Transfer from where to where?
From another school, Lordship, from one block to the school in another block. Lordship.
Within distance of?
Distance of around Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. P.N. Sharma, learned standing counsel, elementary education department. Although, on the prayer of Mr. P.N. Sharma, learned standing counsel, elementary, 3 weeks time was granted. 2 weeks time was granted to file affidavit. As he has stated to have received instructions from the department. No affidavit has been filed as of today. Further, 3 weeks time is granted to the learned counsel for the then still wants to file affidavit. In this time.
My lord, petitioner before your lordship is serving, my lord, in Navy, Indian Navy man. His wife, my lord, submitted one complaint petition.
Where is the provision under the Navy Act? It's Navy Act.
Yes, my lord. Navy.
There's a provision.
My lord, yes, my lord.
Let us see the provision.
My lord,
Under which provision maintenance was?
I have filed my affidavit, your lordship, in page number 41. Alternative remedy is there.
Yes,
Air Force Tribunal is there, lord.
41.
I am paragraph number 7, your lordship. The deponent submits that the subject matter of the writ petition pertains to proceeding arising out of grant of maintenance allowance awarded in accordance with section.
Yes, that is what I'm exactly saying. Withdraw will allow you to approach the appropriate remedy, appropriate forum.
Basically, my lord,
No.
natural justice.
No,
was not followed.
sir, wrongly or rightly, it's under the act and the provision is there.
Only one natural
It's a
justice.
grant of maintenance under the act. No writ lies.
Alternative, my lord, remedy is always not absolute bar, my lord. But here, my lord, my basic content.
I'm conscious. But then is it subject to it's a matter of granting maintenance.
Yes. Properly not hard, my lord, petitioner. With this observation, maybe.
That would be a subject matter of the,
With this observation, this matter may be disposed of.
why? Heard Mr. A.M. Burbuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits, after realizing that the present writ petition would not be maintainable as the maintenance allowance awarded is in accordance with section 31 of the Navy Act 1957.
Against which, my lord, appeal lies before the, my lord, army tribunal according to them.
Which
Armed Forces Tribunal.
Opposite.
the appeal against which a petition would lie before the Armed Forces Tribunal Act 2007, comma, Mr. Burbuya fairly submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition with a liberty to approach the appropriate liberty to avail the remedy under the law.
If-
Counsel for the petition, the respondents, CGC,
Yes, respondent number 1, 2, and 3, Your Lordship.
he is present. Considering above the prayer for withdrawal of writ petition as well. The writ petition stands closed on withdrawal with the liberty to, liberty as prayed for.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Diploma.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, the government advocate took time to examine whether my case is squarely covered by the division bench judgment. Lordship.
Yes. So,
According to me, it's covered by the division bench judgment.
or only say,
Or only six, lordship. Paragraph 162, 179 is our covered case, lordship.
162?
Page. Lordship of this judgment, lordship, 2024 5 GLT.
Where is the, who is Mr. Kaur?
4, Miss 4,
Miss Kaur? Huh?
S4, lordship.
Who is S. Kaur? Government advocate?
This is. Tutor case. Oh, eliminate. Relevant portion, lordship, paragraph 162 at 747 up to 179, lordship.
After some time. There are two writ petitions.
Lordship,
This is item
item number 66 and 67. No?
66 and 66. Yes. After some time. Huh?
MS Kaur is not present today.
Present today.
Is not present today. Absent.
So will automatic, on our absence, the cases will be automatically adjourned.
No, since it is in my knowledge, so before honorable court, I have just.
What to do? Who is for the respondent?
Elementary education.
Elementary education, lordship.
You just inform. Or the any additional advocacy, whether this case is covered.
Lordship, only that much. So covered case.
Any
You
other?
just show that order and give this judgment.
No, your educational council cover company, so I don't. Mon.
Oh, he's not an education council, lordship.
You inform.
Sending council education.
You are a government council. You inform any other education department, elementary education,
Lordship, elementary education.
elementary education. Yes.
Right, last round, we are supposed to produce some instructions.
Huh.
Those are awaited, lordship.
What, these are
No, lordship, we had placed one instruction that
required the
petitioner-
respondent authorities to verify the veracity of statement made by the petitioner in the present date petition.
Yes,
That he had discharged his duties and in person had submitted bills for it. Very small. I mean,
Oh, we have submitted the instruction that he is not entitled for certificate because he wasn't working. The petition.
where it is?
Huh?
Where it is?
Lordship, that instruction would be,
Huh?
there was an instruction that was placed, lordship.
There is no instruction.
A letter, lordship.
Where?
There was comments that has to be in the rubber.
Where it is? Review instruction. Have you seen this order 1711?
Yes, Lordship.
Thereafter you have submitted?
No, on that day it was submitted, that particular parawise comments.
No.
Lordship, what had happened, Lordship, on 7th?
Thereafter only you have directed to
Yes.
verify.
Yes, Lordship, we have intimated the authorities, some time is required to obtain those.
Mr. Ghosh. Mr. Kaur is an additional advocate general. He just cannot send you like this. All right. Where he is?
Lordship, he's on his way, Lordship.
Huh?
He had some personal difficulties, so he's on his way. He got little late.
Huh?
He's on his way, Lordship. He is on his way, Lordship, to the court. For some personal difficulties, he got late.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. It is informed by Mr. A.K. Ghosh,
Lordship.
learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Kaur, learned additional advocate general, that the no improvement instruction is received with regard to the verification of the veracity of statement made by petitioner, which was supposed to be placed today. Is therefore press for some time to obtain instruction as required to be in terms of the order dated 17/11/2020.
Lordship, may I pay for a date? Lordship?
Praise the Lord. List after 4 weeks, 3 weeks.
Hello.
Orders item 41. Again back to. Yes.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
I think maybe fixed for admission and record may be called for, my lord.
Why?
Because pleading an action.
Heard, Mr.
Kolkata, on behalf of
And counsel for the readings are complete. List for admissions after 4 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, I is on behalf of respondent number 7 and 8, paying for that striking their name from the estate verifications. Because Lordship, they are resigned from the college.
Huh?
They are resigned from that college. The page
Yes.
7.
Any objection? No objection. Heard MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr.
P. Guha, yes, for another 4, Lordship.
Then Mr. Pukon, A. Pukon. You are appearing, no? Huh? Deepomani, you are not appearing. For? Standing loud is here, huh? Next paragraph. This is an application. Praying for. Struck out. Striking of the names of the applicants.
Lordship, I'm respondent number 7 and 8.
Okay. Applicants.
Applicants,
Who have been-
who applicants?
Huh?
Who applicants?
Applicants who have been
Respondent number 7.
added as party respondent number 7 and 8 in the connected WPC 4566 of 2018. This is method, red petition relates to what? Who is for the petitioner?
Maybe petitioner is not present.
Petitioner is not present, Lordship. Lordship, kindly parent the order date, it's 11/11/24.
In this IA?
Yes, Lordship, I, 11/11/24. The last para. It is made clear that it is no, if there is no representation on behalf of the petitioner on the next date fixed, the court shall pass necessary order.
Then you're right, huh? Next paragraph. The petitioner is a opposite party here.
Yes, Lordship.
Is he opposite party here?
Yes, yes.
Anwar Hussain. Anwar Hussain.
Anwar Hussain. Respondent number 1.
Anwar Hussain has filed the WPC 54566 of 2018. Praying for removal of the respondent number 7, the applicants from the post of in-charge principal, in-charge principal and vice principal of Laharigat Degree College. So you have resigned. You have resigned. Next paragraph.
We have resigned. Apply.
Who have been no, we said no removal of respondent, removal of applicants, post of in-charge principal and vice principal who have been added as respondent number 6 and 7 in the rate petition list of. In the meantime, no, next paragraph. It is contended that the applicants have resigned from the Lahorigat Degree College during the pendency.
Before this repetition, I leave page number 7.
Just wait.
2019 itself.
It is contended that the applicants have already resigned from their post.
31 2019.
From their post. From the Lahorigat Degree College. Even before the filing of the writ petition. Before.
During the pending.
This was 2018.
Petition 18.
During pendency only. It is contended during the pendency. Huh?
Yes. 31 2019 and 31/1/2019.
During the pendency of
And
three
then-
petition,
It is contended that during the pendency of the writ petition, the respondents, the applicants have resigned from their services from Lahorigat Degree College. Therefore, there is no grievance, no grievance would remain against the applicants. And as such, 6, striking of their names from the array of parties as respondent number 7 and 8. Next paragraph. None appears for the petitioner. Despite service of notice. Notice has been served. You have furnished the copy. Despite service of notice to the land council for the petitioner. Therefore, the petitioner. this court, having noticed that on the last two occasions, the the petitioner of the opposite party number, you just find out, huh? Opposite party number one, writ petitioner was remain unrepresented. And observe that if no representation on behalf of the petitioner, in the event of no representation, court shall pass necessary orders. Necessary orders shall be passed. Next paragraph. Today, then no, full stop. ऊपर में non appears for this ऊपर में शुरू में. Having considered that the petitioners and the applicants who have been added as respondents 7 and 8 in the connected WPC so and so have resigned from their respective services from Lahori Degree College as in charge principal and vice principal. No, respective services from as in charge principal and vice principal of Lahori Degree College during dependency of writ petition, and considering that no relief and no grievance can be, no grievance would lie against the applicants any longer, I am of the considered view that the applicants are not a necessary party in the connected WPC so and so. Accordingly, the names of the respondent number 8, 7, and the applicants as respondent 7 and 8 stands struck off. IA stands allowed and disposed of. Tabakai. Yes. Item 66 is present. Just wait, let them continue.
Made, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
There is a IA for non-payment of salary, Your Lordship, or order dated, Your Lordship, I go to the matter 29/1/2024, my lord. There is a direction, my lord, 29/1 to IA, my lord, IA.
Lordship, in this, Lordship, I have received telephonic instruction that this amount has already been released to the Lordship, so let it come after a week, Lordship, I will place the written instruction.
Matter that fixed for hearing, already main case affidavit in opposition was filed and reply also filed. Court that.
So you are not pressing IA.
Well, that instruction whether they receive.
If it is failed, then what is the question of receipt? We will fix it for admission, admission hearing the main case.
Mild.
IA will close it on the ground that the salary, what is this salary?
Salary, my lord, they are in fourth gate minor employee, my lord, as a my lord contextual.
No, according to you what? According to you, it has been released.
Yes, Lordship.
Salary?
Yes, Lordship, but that is my telephonic instruction, so let it come.
Salary of what? Petitioner?
Yes, Lordship.
Petitioners?
Yes, Lordship.
How many?
Lordship 272, Lordship, with effect from Lordship September of 22 to Lordship, that period, Lordship, that has been paid, Lordship.
There are 6 page 70.
And counsel for the petitioner. A Fukal, D Upamanya, Learned Standing Council,
Higher education.
Higher Education. A week's time is granted to obtain, to place the instruction. Is that, no, as he has submitted that the written instruction, place the written instruction.
Regarding
As,
payment.
as he has stated that the petitioners have already been paid their salary. List after a week. After 1 week, we'll see.
The duration is September 22 to July 23.
We'll see you place the written instruction.
May it please your lordship, lordship, the matter may pass over for the time being, lordship. Lordship, education department was supposed to find affidavit, lordship. Lordship, 1 week time may be given permitted, lordship.
To file
Lordship, 1 week,
affidavit. And Mr.
after vacation.
Huh? AJRT, Learned Council for the petition. On the prayer of MS
R. Burwa, lordship.
R. Borua, Learned Standing Council,
Lordship,
Elementary,
secondary education.
Secondary Education. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. List after 3 weeks. Why?
Because my lord, there, provincial election, for provincial election, my lord, we have.
3 weeks.
And my lord.
We'll see, sir.
Since 2013, my lord.
List after 3 weeks. Fix the, give the date. 3 weeks. Yes, next.
Keep your wish.
45 to? Yes.
But these items, Malak, I'm praying for a little accommodation, Malak.
Review.
Review, Malak. Review prepared by the state, Malak. Earlier it was.
Passed by Discord.
No, Malak, not by Discord, Malak.
Okay.
By lack of brief, Malak, we have to reconstruct the brief, Malak, that is why. Yeah, after vacation, Malak.
You are for
State.
You are for state.
Yes, Malak.
Mr. N.J. Kathania, Learned Council, Learned Standing Council. Standing Council.
Yes.
Elementary.
Yes, Malak, elementary.
Elementary Education Department.
There is an interim order, Malak.
For the review petitioner submits that he may be granted sometime to reconstruct the records. List of is consented, the prayer for prayer of the Learned Standing Council is granted. List accordingly. List after 3 weeks.
Yes, Malak. There's an interim order, Malak.
Interim order passed, I'll just continue.
Obliged.
Item 49 and 50, lordship, we have issued the compliance order, lordship. So the copy and the similar cases, lordship, has already been closed on the earlier occasion, lordship. Okay, so the same finding,
What is this?
This order, this similar contempt cases were closed on last week. That is similar order I have given, and the compliance order also I have furnished. These are the compliance order, lordship.
So we'll say close it.
Yes, lordship.
Not Mr. So-and-so, Learned Council, both.
Both the cases.
Learned Council for the, then this will be a separate order.
Separate order, lordship.
And Mr. Learned Council for the respondents. It is stated at the bar that the order dated 12/04/2023 passed in WPC number 4735 of 2020 has been complied with. expedite accordingly. Read the contempt petition, contempt case stands
Obliged.
closed. In same order, item 50.
But complaints order are different, Lordship. I have given the two complaints order I have given.
I would not.
Obliged, Lordship.
Other one you just same order. This is 12/4/2025, 23. WPC 1618 of 2022. Huh? Yes. Yes.
I am appearing on behalf of T. Some Lordship. Kindly later taken up after vacation.
What's to be done? Why this is listed today? No office note, nothing. As spread for by MS.
A. Mohanto.
A month. Learn counsel for the petitioner, huh?
Yes,
And not being objected to by Mr. P.K. Bora. And standing counsel, elementary education. This matter after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Now, my lord, paying my lord regularly, my lord.
What?
Half, my lord, this is a, my lord, dispute between two wives, my lord, for pension, my lord. My lord, I authorized, my lord, earlier her to draw pension and to give me half, my lord. But subsequently she stopped, my lord. When I filed this petition, now she is regularly paying, my lord.
Okay. So,
my lord,
or Mr. M. Burmaya, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr.
K. Majumdar, Lordship.
K. Majumdar, learned counsel for the respondent number 8.
8, Lordship.
And also, P. Talukdar for elementary and you just write all that chronologically, huh? He's for K. Majumdar, huh?
Lordship. I need
The
to.
bar that relief sought for in this petition has been is already been granted
No, Lord.
in view of the fact that the
Receiving.
Respondent petitioner and the respondents
Lordship.
are equally are receiving the
Pension.
pension.
Now, but after filing this petition, my lord, respondent number 8 is regularly paying 50% pension to the
He is regularly paying
Petitioner's account, Lordship, bank account.
50% of the family pension
Lordship.
to the petitioner.
In her bank account, Lordship.
Mr. In view of the above, writ petition has become infructuous accordingly. Same is
obliged.
closed as being infructuous.
Thank you. Thank you.
Note appears for the petitioner on call. Office note indicates. Office note that 03/12/2025 indicates that the service in respect of respondent number 1 has No, adequate in the school, response number one has been received back after serving the notice which has been received by the daughter of the respondent. Accordingly, it is deemed accordingly, the service in respect of respondent is deemed complete. Deemed complete. List after 3 weeks. Yes.
Your Lordship, the mistakes are filed for restoration things which are had active, Your Lordship. There was a delay, Lordship. Delay has been explained in the IAS for delay. Delay is of 158 days, Lordship.
Huh?
Delay is of 158 days, Lordship.
Notice has been issued.
Okay, the last date, Forest Department appeared, Lordship.
Instruction. File an objection. Who is I. Borthaker? Heard Mr.
S.J. Sharma.
S.J. Sharma, Learned Council Parliament. Yes, no objection. Have you filed the objection?
We'll file it in 1 week, my lord.
Further 1 week time is to file objection to Mr. I. Borthaker. So I said, on the prayer of Mr. I. Borthaker, Learned Standing Council, Forest Department. Further, a week's time is granted to file objection as sought for.
Lordship, hearing this matter, complainant report. The order has been complied with, Lordship. I am furnishing a copy to the
Lordship, I have to obtain instruction whether.
What instruction, if it is complied with, what is the order? Let us see what is the order in that case.
order page 14, Lordship, the operative.
Page 14, Lordship. Operative portion is at paragraph 5, Lordship.
Consider short issue by discipline disposal directed response to consider and take a call on the letter sent by the joint admission of Mizoram University within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of a certificate copy of this order. Yes, then
Lordship, this order has been passed, Lordship.
Pursuant to the orders having granted will be received after considering after permission by the governor in the end.
Lordship, at least.
So you may challenge this.
Yes, Lordship.
You may challenge this.
Yes,
Heard Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr.
For contempt number 1.
You are?
I am for 3, Lord.
Mr. and Mr.
H.
Elia, Learned Counsel for respondent number 3.
Lordship. I am for 1.
Mr. Next para, Mr. D. Upamani, Learned Syndicals for respondent number 1.
And 2, Lordship.
And 2, by placing the copy of the order dated 6/12/2025 passed by the Director of Higher Education, Assam, submits that the order of this court dated so and so 19/12/2024 passed in WPC 6877 of 2020 has really been complied with. The copy of the accordingly, the contempt case stands closed. Just a copy of the order dated so and so is kept on record and marked as the document X. Once is it, you may take the copy and see.
Furnished,
But till that I have not gone through this. But I have not gone through this copy. That is why I am asking for time.
What is Takarata? Continue.
Item 59.
What is this Takarata?
In this case, my lord, I am appearing for respondent number.
Huh?
I am appearing for respondent. Today we have filed our Ukala number here.
For respondent,
My lord, respondent number
all
one.
the respondents. Very strange. Who is this Takarete? My, my same surname.
Yes.
Residents of Abur Leku, Jonai.
My lord, he is a teacher. He was a teacher.
Is there Ete in Jonai? Demaji, in Demaji?
Dhemaji.
Dhemaji, my lord.
Huh?
Dhemaji district. Dhemaji, district Dhemaji, my lord.
Ah. Is there Ete people?
Yes, my lord.
Is it?
Yes, my lord.
You are also from Demaji?
No, my lord, I am here, but I have,
Actually, we have a very limited
yes, limited. but
population, na? So
it
we
is
know each other.
Order, my lord. That is why, my lord.
I find it very strange.
Yes, my lord.
I've never heard of this thing,
My lord,
of such
border
people.
area, my lord,
No,
that is why.
such people staying in Jonai.
Yes, my lord.
Few pockets may be there, Lord.
Maybe very disputed, they're disputed boundary,
Yes.
maybe disputed area. Otherwise, normally we don't have.
Yes. But earlier you was working as a LP school teacher, Assamese medium, my lord.
Oh.
He absent for a long period.
Maybe it's serving,
Anyway,
maybe because of the service. And otherwise, normally they don't settle.
Because of service, my lord.
That's why he was
Anyway,
absent also
that is
for-
different, different issue.
Different, that is different.
Heard Mr. So-and-so,
Yes, sir.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
PK Bora for
P.K. Bora
respondent number one, man.
and Mr. SMT 60.
No, sir, PK Bora.
Oh.
We
Enters.
are both appearing for respondent.
For all the response.
Ah, that's what I'm saying. SMT 60. Enters appear in behalf of all the respondents. As spread for by the respondent, this learned counsel will list this matter after 4 weeks.
Man.
That may be fixed, my lord.
4 weeks, why?
Retirement benefit, my lord. That is
Huh?
service benefit, my lord.
It's a contempt.
Yes, my lord, contempt service benefit.
We'll see.
Okay, my
Obligation.
my lord.
This case, my lord, we have filed one IM law, my lord, for which, my lord, this, for, my lord, substitution, my lord, of the respondent number petition number 21, which expired, my lord. My lord, that was allowed, ma'am. Oh, the last occasion, you took time to file objection.
Oh, lawsuit. In case lawsuit, today I have missed this item lawsuit. Just now I have seen that it is listed. Anyway, lawsuit may kindly give us some time lawsuit. Let it come immediately after vacation lawsuit.
And Mr. M. Datta, learned counsel for the on the prayer of so-and-so, SMT 60, learned counsel for the respondents.
Yes, lawsuit.
Further 4 weeks time is granted. to
Oblige you, lawsuit.
File response. Objection.
Oh,
You want to file objection
Yes, well, that's small objection.
2017 matter, my lord, contempt, my lord.
after 3 weeks.
Yes, yes.
Can I prefer a date, my lord? This is not otherwise inconvenient to your lordships, my lord.
It
Come
will be
after
listed.
vacation, it will come.
It will be listed, huh?
There are two IA we filed after the disposal of the writ petition.
Huh.
And what happened, Maladi, this writ petition arose out of a claims made before the Railway Claims Tribunal. Now, your lordship disposed of the matter, giving us the leave to the writ petitioner, my lord. Thereafter, it was discovered that there was a change of the, my lord, company, which is a new company has taken over the entire assets and liabilities of the original claimant. But before when the first appeal was pending, at that time the change took place. So we filed an application initially, my lord, 3121 IA, my lord. So will you kindly-
Yes.
So-
It's a review or what?
Either, my lord, we want the substitution of the name and a modification of that part of the order where our name is given. Notice at this, let notice go at this stage, my lord.
That cannot be, madam. President, name the repetition, madam. How it, madam, possible, madam?
And let him argue on merit. If he wants to argue,
Yes,
today's merit, I'll argue, otherwise let notice.
yes, I'll file objection.
Will issue notice.
Yes,
Ah,
my lord, that's what I'm saying.
I heard Mr. D. Majumdar, learned senior counsel assisted by so and so, huh?
If I got chosen.
The issue, notice has not been issued.
Yes, no, not yet issued.
This is application. This is IA,
IA, madam.
Go ahead.
IA 312.
IA 3121 and subsequently we have filed IA 3712 because the last time the honorable court indicated that you have to file an application for leave also. So this is the second application for leave. So both the IA will be taken up together, madam.
My lord, this I only this, I received, my lord, 3712, my lord, this I, my lord. Next one is not.
You just give that also.
Yes, yes.
Both, both, huh? These interlocutory applications. No, separately, the application for treatment of applicants as applicant. How can be dispose of matter? How can you allow to be
And that is why we have filed application for leave. Lordship will hear the matter and Lordship will pass. Let the notice
This is
go
an
to-
application praying for impleting of the praying for implement of the applicants in the WPC 6303 of 2018 within bracket disposed. Now, in a disposed
Disposed of on 8/5/25, madam.
in a writ petition being subject which has been disposed of on 8/5/2025. Issue notice returnable by
Right.
4 weeks. You are appearing for all,
I'm for all, my lord.
Mr. As
Yes,
Mr.
Mehdi.
Yes, committee.
Yes, Mehdi.
As Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned counsel. Learned CGC,
Yes, my lord.
CGC enters appearance accept notice on behalf of all the opposite parties. No formal notice need be sent, however, so extra copies. And this is, other one is, that is,
My leave application, as the honorable court has indicated that you should file an application for leave. also.
then this is 371,
Madam.
3712. Huh? 712. Applicant seeking leave for implement, huh? As writ petition in so and so, huh? Which has been disposed upon. Other than this implement, the other one is there. I mean, you don't want to take chance.
No, madam. They have to pay money, but not to the company who originally filed.
No, no, this application, why? I mean, this way, that way, has to be clicked.
No, madam.
No, why two petitions, that's why I'm
Madam,
saying.
we filed one application.
Leave will
Matter
be
of-
enough. I think.
Madam, we filed one application. This honorable court indicated that you have to file.
No, that's why it is like,
Yes.
you have to click with bot. Either of strike it, either of
Madam,
the two.
We have to please the honorable court, madam, so we have filed.
Well, my
I
lord,
don't
my
know,
lord,
I-
no,
we'll see.
D. Majumdar is there, my lord.
You kindly
Madam.
furnish the.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Furnish. I'm with that too.
April, Lordship. In his contempt matter, Lordship,
Yes.
earlier on 510, 512, Lordship. Yesterday evening, I have called Lordship, opposite party Lordship, I asked to call him B Bhuya.
Ah,
The matter has been listing. Nobody has been present.
At two. At two.
Lordship.
We'll call the officer.
Lordship. There's a, in fact, there's a several order to call the officer, yeah, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
At two. Or. At two. We'll take it about two. This one, that Passover matter. Can you go through that, Jasmine?
Similar line of cases, my lord. Lordship can dispose it off by directing upon due verification. Similar orders are there. So she also knows, madam, the petition.
Huh?
She also knows, madam, that there are similar orders where Lordship can dispose it off by directing the secretary to go through. Many pending matters have been disposed of in that manner, my lord. With direction to the secretary to verify and, my lord, to consider whether.
In terms of this.
In terms of this order. Whether
judgment.
fit in, because there are a lot of cases where they are not, my lord.
Do you have any copy on that? You just find out.
My lord, my lord.
The subsequent orders,
My lord.
we'll just see.
My lord.
Who is for the petitioner?
It's
Your
the-
project.
he knows.
Any subsequent order granting similarly,
Gone through the.
you just find
I'll
out.
find out.
Lordship,
We'll add
small-
to.
small period, Lordship, 55, Lordship, my name will be recorded as standing counsel for BTC.
BTC.
55, Lordship.
Ah.
Ankitas. Ankitas. For BTC. 55, day. Thank you, day. আহিছে ন নানা পিয়াৰ বুলি ক'লে যে পেটিশনাৰ নাছিল নালাগে তেনেহ'লে এই এনচত গিয়ে এপিয়াৰ কৰিব হা এম কে ৰাজ নকৰিবা কৰিছে বোলে বিটিচিৰ এপিয়াৰ বিটিচি আছিল হ'ব সেইটো চেঞ্জ নকৰিবা হা
Lordship, we are filing our wakalatnama today, but already we have given one legal opinion for cancellation of the name of the this one respondent. And process is on, your Lordship. A short date be given, Lordship, I'll come.
Otherwise, was about to call. They also we wanted to call. Nobody was there.
Oh, sorry, your Lordship, our name is not shown. My learned friend informed me yesterday, my
Okay,
lord.
today it's a contempt proceeding. Will not say anything on this.
My lord.
On your prayer, we'll just grant.
My lord.
Understanding that you will be complied with.
January? It has been January, my lord.
Heard Mr. D. Mahanta, learned counsel for the petitioner. MS B.
Yeah.
Bhuya, learned senior counsel,
Director.
submits that she has filed her power on behalf, she's appearing for
R1,
respondent number 1. And she has filed the power today. Stuff, and phrase for 3 weeks time to obtain instruction. Praise the Lord, list after 3 weeks. With the understanding that it will be complied with.
My lord. Legal opinion be there in the
Then
record?
it's okay.
My lord. Obliged.
Attempt 66, 67.
Lordship, I have got the order, the coordinate bench. My lord will kindly have a look at it. Right. Same, my lord, tutor, based on this judgment.
This 2729 is the judgment which you are which you have placed.
Lordship, no. So when I get it.
179, para 179.
179, Lordship, yes, 2729.
2729, yes.
19. Yes, that one.
Reported in GLT only.
GLT, man, that same one,
yes.
that same one.
Art MS.
M. Bordeloi.
Then will common order, separate order.
Lordship, both cases, separate orders.
Separate orders. Learn counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners. How many?
Lordship, in one case,
Petitioners. And Mr.
A. Fukan, my lord.
A. Fukan.
For the elementary education department.
Learned standing counsel. Elementary education department for the respondents. Regular scale of pay also.
Lordship.
As tutors.
As tutors, Lordship.
By filing this, the petitioners. No, sir. The grievance of the writ petitioner and the grievance of the petitioners in this application is for a direction to the respondent authorities to provide regular scale of pay as tutors who have been appointed as who have been appointed.
Appointed as tutors,
No, no,
who has been provincialized as tutors, Lordship, their services have been
provincialized.
Provincialized as tutors, my lord. So they were getting,
Who have been provincialized in the, which school?
In the Lordship, 6 different petitioners, so different schools, Lordship,
In,
all provincialized schools.
no, in the provincialized school. You just tell the name of the schools. Can you get it?
Lordship, it is there in the petition, Lordship, and one is Danduli LP School.
Anyway, it's okay, since it is a covered case, no?
Lordship.
you can give it as per that order.
Hmm?
As per that order, my lord. Same order, same order.
Cause title, Lordship. Name of the school.
Order, my lord.
Same order.
It is stated at that the judgment in order of division bench, division bench dated 04/10/2024 passed in WPC 2729 of 2019. Within bracket, name of that
Lordship.
name of that parties,
Mohar Ali Sheikh.
Mohar Ali Sheikh and others versus State of AP and others, reported in 2000.
2004, 5 GL.
No, 24.
24, 5 GLT, Lordship.
2024, 5 GLT, 689.
You
689.
just keep that thing, huh?
24.
2024, 5 GLT. 89.
Will cover the case of the petitioner. Christoph. Therefore, this writ petition may be disposed of in terms of the paragraph 179 of the said judgment. Mr. The next para, relevant paragraph 179 of this judgment is reproduced herein below. Herein under, huh? You quote the para 179. Next para. Perusal of the above judgment. No, on the perusal of the above judgment, I am of the view that the case of the petitioners herein would be covered by the said judgment as the petitioner appears to be there, and as the petitioner appears to be a similar situated persons with that of the petitioners in the above case. This stuff. This stuff. Thus, I'm of the considered view that similar relief, the petitioner would be provided with, the petitioner are entitled with the similar relief. This stuff accordingly, next one is agreed to by, no, this stuff. accordingly, as agreed to by learned counsel to the parties, this writ petition is disposed of with the direction, with an observation that the state respondent shall make a verification of the provincialization orders of the petitioners, and if they find that the petitioners case and the case of the petitioners in so and so, namely supra, is same and similar. The direction passed in para 179 of judgment in order dated 04/10/2024 shall also be made applicable to the petitioners. The entire exercise shall be carried within a period of 6 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order. Next paragraph. Writ petition stands disposed of accordingly. Same order in 66(7).
For the secretary with the copy of this order.
That's all right, you just submit that.
Individual law.
It's okay. Should we say that?
Lordship can, my lord, individually they can submit their copy.
Then in that case, before accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of with the direction to the responding authorities. Direction to the petitioner to file representation individually. Before the
Secretary.
secretary education.
Secretary, Department of School Education.
Department of School Education. Within 15 days, from today, list of
From the date of obtaining the certified copy, Lordship.
from the we'll finish it today.
Lordship, then.
We'll say from today, 15 days, list of the respondent authority shall consider the response shall consider the representation of the petitioner and dispose of. Consider and dispose of the representation of the petitioners.
6 months.
Representation which would be filed by the petitioners and shall make a verification of the so and so, same or.
6 months. Within a period of 6 months.
You add whatever I just said, dictated, then you add the last one.
Much obliged.
66 and 60.
Separate orders, Lordship.
Separate.
Much obliged.
Yeah.